Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to write a check for cash withdrawal. Knowing how to write a check for cash is a helpful skill that can make withdrawing cash from your bank account quick and easy. Let's get started. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step process of writing a check for cash withdrawal. It's easier than you think. Start by writing the date in the top right corner of the check. This helps to keep track of when you're making the withdrawal. You'll write the month, day, and year. For example, February 16th, 2025. Next, in the Pay to the Order of field, write the word cash. This is how the bank knows you want to withdraw cash instead of paying someone else. Now, in the box next to the $sign, write the amount you want to withdraw in numbers. Make sure it's clear and legible. For example, $200.00. On the line below, write the amount in words. This ensures there's no confusion about how much you're withdrawing. For example, $200 over $100. This is a very important step. Next, sign the check on the bottom right corner. Your signature confirms that you authorize the bank to process the transaction. Without your signature, the check isn't valid. Once your check is written out, all that's left is to take it to the bank. You can either present it at the counter with a bank teller or use it at an ATM that accepts checks. The bank will process the check and give you the cash. Now, here are some common mistakes to avoid when writing a check for cash withdrawal. First, make sure your handwriting is clear and legible. If the numbers or words are hard to read, the bank might not accept the check. Second, always double-check that the amount in numbers and words match. If they don't, the bank will have trouble processing it. Lastly, remember to sign your check. Without a signature, the check is invalid and you won't be able to get your cash. And that's it. You've learned how to write a check for cash withdrawal. It's really just about following a few simple steps: writing the date, making cash the payee, filling in the amount, and signing the check. Once you've got it down, you'll be able to quickly and easily withdraw cash from your account whenever you need to. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more financial tips. And remember, practice makes perfect, so try writing a check for cash a few times to get comfortable. See you next time.